Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. If you are new, you consider your subscription because I will be bringing you the most craziest content that you will love it. And our video topic is how can you deal with Shareit and how can you replace Shareit by any other apps that can easily send your any of the data or your applications or anything else. So as you know that Shareit has been banned with the other 59 apps, and it is so much hard to send anything without Shareit. So how can you send it? So in this video we are gonna tell you about, and you have to listen it carefully, that what are the procedure that how can you send any of the app easily without wasting your time. And I'm moving towards the video. Okay, so first of all you need to download an application which is of 2 MB only, and that application name is Wi-Fi FTP, and I will give you the download link in the description also. You can download it from there. After that you have to open this app, and after opening that app you have to enable your hotspot and you have to click on the start. Okay, after doing that you have to move to towards the other phone. Okay, so I am moving towards the other mobile that I have. Yo, and I'm back with my new mobile phone. Now what you have to do, if you remember that I had opened my hotspot in the mobile which is going to send some files in that mobile. So that one is the sender mobile and this one is receiver's phone. What you have to do, you have to connect your Wi-Fi to that hotspot. Okay, you have to connect your Wi-Fi to the hotspot. Okay, I have connected with the Realme 3, which is my device name and my device hotspot. So after that, if you know that there is one link in server URL, and I will be showing this link in the screen also. You will get that there is one link server URL, and after that there is one link FTP. Okay, I'm showing FTP. Okay, so you have to type that link, and after that you will see this type of interface here. And if you download any of the photos from that device, you can directly download here without using your internet, or it is so much easy to download anything. For an example, I have got a WhatsApp, and here I will click on the WhatsApp. After that, if you need a sticker media, I am going towards the media, and yes, there is one WhatsApp document here. If you have seen that there is 13 MB file here, 24 MB file, 27 MB file, and many more files are there. And if I have to download this file, then I will directly click on that file. Okay, so there is showing that do you want to download it, so click on the download. Okay, so now it's downloaded. It is very easy. If you can see here that it's not take so much time to download anything, so it is faster than Shareit also. Okay, so I am now showing more examples that you can understand easily. Okay, I am now going to videos. So there is one video, no copyright, subscribe and bell. Oh, I have downloaded it before that, and that the size of that video is 5.3 MB, and I'm clicking on that video or the link of the video, and now it's get downloaded in the seconds of time. It's get downloaded easily, so you can say that it is faster than Shareit also, and the size of the app is so small that you can download it easily. So if you like this video, enjoy this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon and also the like button also.